Hello everyone, hope everybody is doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make money with beta testing. You may be wondering, what is beta testing? Well, this is the process in which you get first access to a website, app, or a game, and you'll simply use it as you'll expect a normal person to, and then you'll give your feedback to the creator of the app or website. For instance, if you are given early access to a game to beta test, you'll simply play the game, and if you see any glitches or if it's freezing or so on, you'll simply observe that, and you'll observe where in the game that happens, and you will tell the creator that, well, while playing the game after about 5 minutes or so on, or in this level, the game started to freeze, or you'll simply give them your feedback. And it's the same thing with an app also. So basically, not only will you be getting first access to the latest games and apps, but you'll also be getting paid to use them. If this sounds good and this sounds like an opportunity that you would like to use to start making money online, be sure to watch this video until the end, as the two apps or website that I'll be showing you in the end, you'll be able to make up to $120 to beta test. The first website that I'll be showing you is TryMyUI.com, and you'll simply tap on Get Paid to Test right here, and it will lead you to this page. And as you can see here, you will be paid $10 for each test you take. A typical test lasts approximately 20 minutes. So you'll simply sign up, and depending on your demographic, meaning where in the world you live, you will start getting tests depending on there. And the beauty about this website is you'll be able to get work or beta testing jobs no matter where in the world you live. And you'll be getting paid via PayPal. As you can see here, you'll simply enter your full name, your PayPal email, and you'll create a password, and then confirm your password and tap on I am not a robot, and that's it. You'll be getting tests. The second website that I like to show you is Testawork.com, and you'll simply tap on Become a Tester right here. As you can see, join the community of over 50,000 testers. On this one, you'll be able to get paid to test apps. And if we should scroll down so you can read more about this website, as you can see, you'll be able to test apps from companies like Facebook, Google, Verizon, Microsoft, General Electric, and numerous other apps. And how does it work? You simply sign up, and you'll be able to get tests and apps. We will send you exclusive invites to join our latest test cycles, and you'll get paid. And that's it. It's as simple as that. There is no need for experience or anything like that. This is one of the best opportunities to make money online as a complete beginner without any skills or so on. You'll make money for discovering bugs and different glitches on these apps. As you can see here, it's very easy and straightforward to sign up to become a tester, as all you'll need to do is enter your email address, create a password, and tap on Terms of Service and Non-Disclosure Agreement and Privacy Policy, and that's it. You'll sign up, and again, this opportunity is available for persons worldwide. The next website that I'll be showing you is this one right here, and the beauty about the Upcoiner.com is it's available on both Android and iOS device. So whether you have an Android phone or you have an iPhone, you'll be able to start doing beta testing and get paid to test apps. Again, it's very straightforward and easy to sign up, as you'll simply enter your email address and your name, and that's it. As you can see, it's available worldwide again. You simply choose an app to review, and you'll write your review, and you'll get paid. It's as simple as that. Next website that I'll be showing you is betatesting.com. This is a very popular one and a well-renowned one. Beta testing with real people in real environments. You get real-world engagement and data and feedback to help scale your product. And as you can see, whether you have an Android, iOS, device or whether you have a laptop or desktop, you'll be able to get paid. You'll simply tap on Join as a beta tester in the top right hand corner, and it will lead to this page right here where you'll simply enter your email address to sign up. And you'll be able to test exciting new products and get paid to give your feedbacks for new apps, websites, and products. You can see here how does it work. You simply complete the tasks and give your feedback and bug reports, and you can earn between $10 to $20 for most tests. So as you can see, on average, you'll be earning $10 per test, and a test can last from between a minute to 5 minutes or even more. But typically, the longer a test be or the more questions they ask is the more money you'll be able to make. And again, beta tests new exciting products from companies like Xrox and Typeform, the New York Times, and Musical.ly. Who is eligible for participant? You must be at least 18 years old and must be able to speak and write fluent in English, must own a PC or Mac or any device required for a specific test. How much money can you make? Beta testing is a fun way to make a few dollars on the side and help impact products develop. You may require anywhere from 0 to 5 opportunities per month, and you'll be getting paid via PayPal every 7 days. Next up, we have Betabound.com. The thing about this website though is it has requirements. For instance, as you can see here, this one requires you to have a robot vacuum cleaner to become a beta tester. And the other pullback that I don't like with this one is you won't be able to earn cash. You'll be getting paid via the product. For instance, as you can, let me scroll down so we can read it together. Do I get paid to be a tester? There will be no cash payment to a tester, as they expect you to be a volunteer, so you'll be able to get like the product or gift cards or t-shirts. So if you aren't really into making cash and would prefer to get a gift card or so on, this is the website for you. The other one that I'll be showing you is Pinecone Research. This is one of my favorite ones. As you can see here, you earn points for every completed survey, and you redeem your points for cash or prizes. And you will simply learn about products before they hit the market. So basically, as I said, you'll be getting paid to beta test. And again, it's very easy to sign up. And you can see here, how do I redeem my rewards? You will simply go to Pinecone Research website and enter your login information and click on redeem button to access your reward site. And again, you'll be able to get paid via PayPal. There are numerous options on which you can get paid, or bank transfer. And one of the most popular websites or apps when it comes to beta testing is usertesting.com. I'm sure if you have ever typed in how to be a beta tester, I'm sure this is one of their top ones that most people will recommend. But stick around until the end, as the other one that I'll be showing you is even better than this. As you can see here, usertesting.com is very popular. As you can see, they work with some of the largest companies in the world: Lowe's, Samsung, Alltrails, Domino's, and Grammarly. And if we should tap on Get Paid to Test right here, it will open this page right here, on which you'll simply enter your email address, and you'll start getting access to various tests. And again, this one, it all depends on your demographic, and it does work for persons worldwide. As you can see, you simply apply and browse the different test opportunities, and then you'll do the test, submit your information, and you'll earn between $4 for every 5-minute test and $10 USD for every 20-minute test. So you'll be able to earn between $30 to $120 for a live interview also. And last but definitely not least is BetaFamily.com. As you can see here, They have access to over 500,000 testers, and this is a very popular website, as a lot of persons that own websites or apps use this website for beta testing. You can see here their registration is very straightforward, as you can sign up using your Facebook login or your Google login. And let me show you some example of some tests that are available. As you can see, they are in different categories. So if you're a person that likes reading, you can select books or business. There are numerous categories that you can choose from. Social media, so you'll be testing different social media platforms. As you can see here, for this test, they got paid $5, and you can get tests similar to this. This is recent. This is of July 9th. And you can see here, this one is up to today, July 14. And again, whether you have access to an Android or an iOS device, or you're simply using your desktop or laptop, you'll be able to do beta testing and start earning. If you found this video informative and you stick around until this far, be sure to hit that subscribe and like button, and thank you for watching.